Join the Women Who Code Hackathon for Social Good 2023 and use your superpowers to create a solution for the social good. The hackathon offers an amazing and engaging learning experience for the Women Who Code community while we develop projects that promote social good. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to our hackathon for Social Good 2023 project presentations. I am super excited. Please let us know in the chat where you're joining today's session from. And also we have a couple of options, or you can do both. What did you learn about yourself during the hackathon? Share about a project or team blooper, mistake, any challenges that you faced during the hackathon that were either humbling or funny. So I'm seeing a lot of teams here. Welcome, everyone. Yay. Welcome, everyone. So I'm seeing joining from Atlanta. Yay, Florida, UK. Welcome, everyone. Fantastic. I would love to know if anyone has any funny bloopers or mistakes that were made during the hackathon. Blooper. Oh, like Josie's left one. Yay, joining from South Korea. Blooper, leaving some commented code in the repo and not noticing until just now. I love it. That's amazing. We have people joining from all over the world today. This is fantastic. Thank you, everyone, so much for joining. Fantastic. I'm seeing several people from Massachusetts. Hello, neighbors. Hong Kong, Colorado. Fantastic. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So once again, welcome everyone to our project presentations. And here is some of the members of the team. I'm Stephanie Rideout. I'm Digital Community Specialist here at Women Who Code. I'm also joined by Gracia Castaldi, our Director of Community. And we also have an amazing team of leadership fellows. We have Hope, Lindsay, Maria, Ophelia, Vui, and Sumya. You'll be seeing a lot of them today moderating our sessions. And at Women Who Code, our mission is to empower diverse women to excel in technology careers. Our vision, a tech industry where diverse women and historically excluded people thrive at every level. At Women Who Code, we take our code of conduct very seriously. Women Who Code is an inclusive community dedicated to providing an empowering experience for everyone who participates in or supports their community. Our events are intended to inspire women to excel in technology careers, and anyone who's here for this purpose is welcome. We don't tolerate harassment of members in any form, and you can read the full version at our website. So today's schedule, we are going to be doing all of our finalist project presentations, and then we'll be back here on stage after that for our closing ceremony. So a little bit about the hackathon. The Hackathon for Social Good was an opportunity to create and build something that impacts society. We asked you to use your creativity to design a technical solution to meet a societal challenge of your choice, and we envision the hackathon as a collaborative community learning experience. So here is our schedule, and you can see we have been very busy over the past few weeks, and we have accomplished so much. I am so proud of absolutely every individual person who participated in the hackathon, supported the hackathon. This has just been such an amazing experience for me and everyone, and just thank you all so much. Look at our journey. This is so amazing. And so we received 63 project submissions to the hackathon, and we selected 20 finalists to present your projects today. All of your projects were so amazing, and everyone will be celebrated later when we have our closing ceremony. So here's our presentation schedule. So as you can see, we are going to have, there's 2 columns here. We are going to have 2 sessions running concurrently throughout the entire day. So you'll be able to choose one or the other. Don't worry, everything is going to be recorded. So if you can't make one of them today that you really want to attend, everything will be recorded, posted on the Women Who Code YouTube channel after this, and you'll be able to catch up on all of those amazing sessions. And so here is our schedule. We will start at 10:15 Eastern, which is in just a few minutes. If you are if you're IT girls or Nourish allies, you'll be heading over there in about 3 minutes to get set up for your sessions. And we are super, super excited. And then we will have sessions every 15 minutes throughout the day. You can view the schedule in the reception area here on Hopin at any time. You can also view it at hackathon.womenwhocode.dev as well. And so in order to access the sessions, so they will not happen on stage. They're instead going to happen in our sessions part of Hopin. And so in order to find that, if you go right here, currently you're in the stage area. And so you want to click that sessions tab. And when you do that, you will see the sessions that are currently open, and you can click on the one that you wish to attend. Please join us back here on the stage at 1 p.m. Eastern today for our closing ceremony celebration. We're also going to have a voter's choice poll. I'm very excited about this at the start. And so please join at the start time so you have time to submit your choice of your favorite project. So I recommend making note of your favorite projects throughout the day. So when you are faced with that poll, hopefully you can make a decision. I found as a judge, making any decisions is so difficult because I loved every single project so much, and I wanted everyone to technically be first place winner. But you are all winners, and everyone did a fantastic job. So I look forward to seeing you all back here. And the most important rule of the day is to have fun. So whether you're delivering a presentation, if you're just here participating and attending, have fun, enjoy yourself. This is an opportunity to meet others in the community, have a wonderful time, learn about all of the amazing work and projects that the community has delivered. And so with that is my presentation for this morning, and I'm happy I finished it now. So we have, if you were presenting first, please head over to your session by clicking the session tab. It should be open either now or in a moment. And we look forward to seeing everyone over in the sessions. See you back here later. Thanks, everyone. Bye. Project presentations and demonstrations occurred throughout the day. Recordings will be uploaded to the Hackathon for Social Good 2023 playlist on the Women Who Code YouTube channel. Join the Women Who Code Hackathon for Social Good 2023 and use your superpowers to create a solution for the social good. The hackathon offers an amazing and engaging learning experience for the Women Who Code community while we develop projects that promote social good.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Women Who Code Hackathon for Social Good closing ceremony. We will be announcing winners in a little bit, but in the meantime, please vote in the Voters' Choice poll if you haven't yet. And yeah, we'd love it if you haven't already shared in the chat where you're joining us from, and if you'd like to share any reflections from today's hackathon projects. Maria's joining from Cyprus. It's 7 p.m. there. Awesome. It's 8 p.m. in Kenya. Very cool. Yep, it's noon in New Orleans. Oh gosh, 2 o'clock in the morning in Korea. Thank you so much for joining us at this time. It's 5 in Ghana. Yeah, it's 11 o'clock in the morning in Denver, where I'm from right now. Barcelona at 6 p.m. Amazing. Oh, it's also 11 in Mexico. Yeah, saw some really interesting projects today. You've all done an amazing job. Yeah, I agree with you, Sumya. I have so many favorites too. I don't know if I can pick just one. Yes, there are a lot of incredible projects, absolutely amazing and so inspiring. I agree. And I feel inspired too. Like, I wish I could come up with some of this amazing creativity that we saw today. And we have people from all over. It's 1 a.m. in Singapore. Oh, thanks for sharing, Lillian. Joining from LA. This was my first experience with Women Who Code. I love this community. That's amazing. I hope you continue to stay involved with us. This is really great organization and really great community. All right. Are we still voting? Hope you all are voting for your favorites. Let's see. Okay, well, I think we're about ready to continue. So I'd like to reintroduce Stephanie Rideout, who will continue with our closing ceremony.
Wonderful. Thank you, Vui. And welcome everyone to our Women Who Code Hackathon for Social Good 2023 closing ceremony. Today was an amazing day filled with lots of phenomenal presentations by all of you. We'll keep the poll open for another maybe like 2 to 5 minutes, and then we'll close that. So please just be sure to get your votes in, because we will be having a Voters' Choice Award named at the very end of today's closing ceremony. So let's go ahead and get started. So here is our amazing calendar. We have accomplished so much over the past several weeks, and everyone who worked on a project, you should be incredibly proud of yourself for the amazing work that you have done. And I can tell you, as an organizer and a judge, it was so difficult to choose the finalists and the winners for this hackathon. So before we get started with all of that amazing stuff, we'll keep the suspense going for a little while longer because I do want to share about two really exciting upcoming events that we have. And the first one is November 8th at 12 p.m. Eastern. And this is leveraging community coding experience to enhance your resume. Deep dive into effectively highlighting your hackathon, open source, and volunteer experiences. And you can register for this event at womenwhocode.com/careernav or womenwhocode.com/events. So we look forward to seeing you at that amazing session. And then we also want to announce our very next Women Who Code Hackathon. If you are still super excited and have tons of energy to give to this presentation, we have a app deploy hackathon in partnership with Google Play happening starting November 17th. So you can register for this starting today at appdeploy.womenwhocode.dev. So I'm very excited about seeing you all build and deploy your first Android apps on Google Play. So we hope to see you there as well. All right, so a little bit about the Hackathon for Social Good. So the Hackathon for Social Good 2023 was an opportunity for you to create and build something that impacts society. We tasked you with using your creativity to design a technical solution to meet a societal challenge of your choice. We envision the hackathon as a collaborative learning experience where we all are actively learning together and helping one another. And I also want to take a moment to thank our amazing hackathon judges. We had an entire team very devoted to spending lots of hours reviewing all of your presentations and all of your submissions. And they are Hope Wilson, Lindsay Robertson, Maria Terzi, Ophelia Bama-Ampo, Sumya Vimuri, Vui Nguyen, Sapphire Duffy, Gracia Castaldi, yes, myself, Stephanie Rideout, Anna Story, Kirthi, Luz De Leon, Narmada, Pujita, Celine, and Shrishti. So if you see any of them, give them a big thank you for all of their amazing efforts because they put so much time into reviewing all of your presentations, so much time, so much effort. So big applause to all of you. So as I mentioned, you were tasked with creating a brand new project featuring a social good cause, and those include animals, arts and culture, education, environment and sustainability, health and wellness, hunger and nutrition, poverty and human services, safety and crime rates, women empowerment, or other, and using at least one of the provided technical categories, which include artificial intelligence and machine learning, cloud, data science analysis and visualization, emerging technologies, hardware and robotics, mobile applications, Python software, and web development. And you were judged on the following criteria: social impact, creativity and innovation, technical execution, completeness, and presentation. And there was also an opportunity for the judges to give a few bonus points to a few of the projects. All right, so let's start with some celebration first. So we received 63 project submissions to the Hackathon for Social Good 2023, and there were 214 participants, which is really phenomenal. So congratulations to all 200 plus people who spent time working on a hackathon project. Super amazing, and it well exceeded my expectations for launching this hackathon. So I'm so proud and so amazed by all of your efforts. And everyone is going to be celebrated here at the closing ceremony. So let's take a moment to celebrate all the teams. Again, congratulations to everyone who submitted a project to the Hackathon for Social Good 2023. You are so amazing. And I had a lot of fun trying to fit all of the team names here on this slide, but I'll leave it here for a moment so you can take a screenshot and look through it. so many amazing teams and so many amazing projects. And I could just not be more proud of all of you for this amazing work. So congratulations, and yeah, let's celebrate all of your amazing hard work. All right. And as I mentioned earlier today, we selected 20 finalists to present. 3 Sharp, Camp Half-Blood, Code Crafters, Duffel Awareness, Food Bids, Hope Hackers, IT Girls, Creative Studio, Lady Scripts, Mentorchestra, Nourish Allies, Soraya, Sound Saviors, Superbrains, Texas Pre-K, Team LLM Powers, Team Unemployed, Textile Ecofems, The Breakdancers, and Women of the West Coast. Whew. Okay. So now we get to the fun part that I've been pushing off just to make it, just keep you all in your seats, dancing in your seats. All right. So to start off with our results, we're going to start off with thanking everyone who participated in the Passage by One Passport Hackathon Challenge. And so Passage selected 3 finalists to present your projects today. And those projects are Food Bids, Hope Hackers, and Lady Scripts. So we are now going to share with you a video pre-recorded by them that will share the winners with us. So let's go ahead and play that video right now.
Hi everyone, this is Vanessa again from the Passage by One Password team, and I'm here to announce our 2023 Women Who Code Hackathon Challenge winners. I do just want to, before we hop in, start with some massive thanks that we have from the Passage team. Big thank you to the team at Women Who Code. You know, it was a quick turnaround from when we saw the call to sponsors to actually sitting and putting this on, and the team could not have made this easier, could not have been great. So I thank you every single person that I worked with and that any of my team had worked with at Women Who Code. The work that you all do is so important, and I shared a little bit at the workshop about why it has significance to me as well. You know, organizations like this is really how I started feeling comfortable in tech. So thank you so much for all that you guys do and for being a really great partnership through this event. And then we also want to give a big thanks to everyone who filled out the survey form or tried and implemented Passage within their projects. It was amazing to see what everyone was able to do, and so hard to pick these winners. So we thank you everyone with any submission at all. We reviewed every single project and every single survey submission. So thank you so much to everyone. One other final thing before I get to the winners, I also just want to throw this out there for everyone to keep in touch. I'm not live today, this is pre-recorded, so I'll make sure that after this announcement goes out that these slides are shared as well. But here's my LinkedIn contact. Do not hesitate to connect with me, ask me questions. I love being available for folks within the community, so do not hesitate to reach out. And then within Passage by One Password, if you want to reach out to anybody else on the team, if you want to see what we've got going on or upcoming or new releases, you can check us out on our website, Twitter, Discord, and then our GitHub as well. So yeah, we hope that you guys are at least somewhat excited, are excited to see where, you know, passwordless authentication is headed. And I don't say it enough, but in case you didn't hear the story by my mom that I gave for her lost passwords on a piece of paper, if nothing else that you take from this, the things that I say, use a password manager, if nothing else. So without further ado, I will start with the Most Valuable Feedback Award. So this was the award for the individual based off of the survey submissions. And like I said, I personally read every single one. I have taken all of that data. It is sinking in. I am creating plans. So once again, I thank you everyone. But our winner, Sunny. Sunny had amazing feedback, gave some ideas for some pretty cool new features and some things that were needed, holes and pitfalls that they ran into with documentation and different things while they were working. So that's Sunny. I thank you so much for your feedback. And though Sunny is winning the award based off of the survey submission, I had to throw up a picture too because Sunny's app is beautiful. You can see here the implementation of Passage. So thank you so much, Sunny, and congrats for winning the most valuable feedback award. Okay, and for the big one, the team that had the best implementation of Passage, Lady Scripts with the Vegan Snack Pal. Super cool idea, but they really went above and beyond in integrating with third parties and using, as you can see here, Passage within their app as well, within their website as well. So big shout out, congrats to Lady Scripts. I think there's 2 of you, so you guys really are making out pretty well with your prize. But big congrats. I'll be back online Monday to do some celebrating on Slack. So big congrats to everyone. We thank you, everyone who gave us a shot. Have a great weekend. And we hope to be back for another event in the future. So thank you so much.
Fantastic. So thank you so much to our amazing sponsor, Passage by 1Password, for sponsoring that hackathon challenge. And congratulations to the winners of the Passage by 1Password challenge. Best implementation of Passage, who is Lady Scripts. That is so amazing. And most valuable feedback, Sunny, of Food Bids. So enjoy your prizes. This is so amazing. Congratulations. Okay, and now for the Women Who Code final results. Let's see how much I can drag this out just for fun. Okay. All right. The number 3 winning project team is, it's a tie. Food Bids. Yay! Congratulations. And Creative Studio. Yay! Congratulations to both of you. I'm so excited. I have to say that all of the top scores were like very close. I think I just wanted to give everyone first place. So in this entire hackathon, I want to give everyone first place. Congratulations, Food Bits and Creative Studio. Amazing work. Okay. The number 2 winning project team is Mentorchestra. Yay! Congratulations, Mentorchestra. Amazing job on your project. Really phenomenal. Thank you so much. Okay. And the number 1, and there will be more after this, so stick around and give lots and lots of energy for the winning team because there will be some more stuff after this, so stick around. Okay. The number 1 winning project team is, drum roll please, Duffel Awareness. Yay! Congratulations, Josie. You have won first place in the Hackathon for Social Good 2023. Congratulations, Josie. Yay, so wonderful. This is so exciting. I hope you're all having a wonderful time. All right. We also have several special awards because again, there's so many amazing projects. I want to be sure to give out as many awards as possible. All right. So our first award is, we're going to do some technical awards first. So Best Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Project Award. And that goes to Team LLM Powers. Congratulations. Woohoo! Congratulations. Amazing job on your project. Really well done. Thank you so much. And our Best Data Science Analysis and Visualization Project Award. And that goes to Texas Pre-K. Congratulations. Amazing job. So much work went into the data analysis of your project. And that dashboard was really phenomenal. Amazing job. Amazing job. Okay. The Best Mobile Project Award goes to Duffel Awareness. Yay! So amazing. I'm having so much fun. I hope you're all having fun. I'm having a lot of fun over here. Okay, and our Best Software Project Award goes to Camp Half-Blood. Woo! Yeah, amazing job, Camp Half-Blood. Phenomenal, phenomenal job on your project. I loved it so much. Congratulations. All right. And this is the last, I believe, of our technical awards. So our Best Web Development Project Award goes to Team Unemployed. Congratulations, Team Unemployed. Amazing job. And you had a really amazing sense of humor too with your project submission. Thank you so much and congratulations. Okay, so now we're going to give out some other awards. And the next one is Outstanding Solo Project Award. And that goes to Doffel Awareness, Food Bids, Creative Studio, and Soraya. So all 4 of you were finalists and you all did such an amazing job on your projects and on your presentations. I attended each one of your presentations today. You did such a phenomenal job. I'm so proud of you. It's a lot of work to do a hackathon project on a team, and it's so much more work to have to do everything yourself. You do the presentation, the technical side, absolutely everything. So a major applaud to all 4 of you. Please, everyone, shower them with lots of congratulations because they all worked so hard on their projects. So congratulations. All right. And this is going to be our last award for the evening, and it's Outstanding Social Impact and Outstanding Social Impact Award. And this is going to several teams who we felt had a really outstanding social good cause in your hackathon submission. And it was just really phenomenal what you came up with, and I hope that you continue on with all of your projects. And this list of people includes those who have not won any other prizes. Well, maybe one exception, but for the most part, because we wanted to make sure that these teams were specifically recognized. So our Outstanding Social Impact Award goes to 3 Sharp, Code Crafters, IT Girls, Sound Saviors, Team LLM Powers, the Textile Ecofems, and Women of the West Coast. So congratulations for very well thought out and implemented social good causes, which is the purpose of this hackathon. So you all did such an amazing job. Major applause to all of you. Thank you so much for putting so much thought into your project ideas, your challenges statement, your proposed solutions. Thank you so much for that. And I'm looking forward to, after this event, sharing all these projects on YouTube. And so everyone will get to watch them over and over again and be inspired by your amazing projects. Okay. And I kind of lied earlier. We do have one more award. So we have the Voters' Choice Award. And the winner of the Voters' Choice Award is Women of the West Coast. So congratulations, Women of the West Coast. Phenomenal project. So yay. So excited. All right, so I just have a few closing acknowledgments. I don't want this to end. Should we just loop back to the beginning and just go through the results all over again, or start the hackathon all over again? What do you all think? Let me know in the chat. Okay, I don't want this to end. I'm starting to get emotional now. Okay, so thank you everyone for an amazing hackathon experience. I could not have asked for more with this experience. And so I am getting emotional now. So big thank you to all of our participants, our presenters, all of the attendees. There have been so many people who have been attending these sessions, and thank you so much for being a part of our community and supporting everyone who's taking part in this hackathon. And we see all of you. We see all of your efforts. And also big thank you again to our judges for all of the effort, the many hours that were put in collectively to reviewing your project submissions. And also to everyone who participated in organizing the hackathon. So thank you all so much for an amazing hackathon experience. I've had a wonderful time. I've had a wonderful, wonderful experience, and I know a lot of you have as well. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And also, I just wanted to mention really quick that we will have an opportunity to share like a feedback form with all of you that'll be in your email within the next couple weeks. I have to make it first, and then I will share that with everyone, so you can let us know any ideas that you have to make our next hackathon even more amazing than this one. So wonderful. So again, thank you all so much. And I also wanted to give one final huge thank you to our amazing sponsor, Passage by 1Password, for sponsoring the Hackathon Challenge. They were so amazing to work with. Vanessa's so amazing, and I really just enjoyed learning how you all implemented Passage into your projects and everything. So thank you to Passage by 1Password. And that brings us to the end. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, who doesn't want this to end? Awesome. Fantastic. Well, thank you all so much for joining us. And yeah, thank you all so much. And let's have one in 2024. Thanks, everyone. And the event will be open for a little while longer. So I think you can go into if you want to do one-on-one networking, there's a networking feature here on Hopin. So feel free to go ahead and go chat and celebrate. If you were part of a project team, feel free to throw a big Zoom or Google Meet presentation or Hopin presentation right after this event. And celebrate all of your hard work that you put in, and really just take that time to celebrate. Okay, I'm just dragging this out because I don't want it to end, but thanks everyone so much. I'm so proud of all of you. I'm just so amazed by this, and I look forward to hopefully seeing you all at our next coding challenge, which will probably be announced within the next month and a half. So stay tuned to the Slack channel for the next one. And we look forward to seeing you all then. All right. Thanks everyone for an amazing Women Who Code Hackathon for Social Good 2023. Bye.